Hey folks, we're going to be presenting a second day of videos and snapshots from the front lines of the fire where my son Jeremy is fighting on that July complex fire, the most explosive fire in U.S. history that grew exponentially overnight. It's huge. Stay tuned. Hello, welcome back to Pine Meadows Hobby Farm's channel. I'm giving you a second day of frontline of firefighting from the perspective of a firefighter's view on that July complex fire in Northern California. Now it is said that this fire grew the largest overnight, the night before last night, of any other fire in U.S. history. This is huge. 8 miles it advanced. So they're making headway according to the dialogue of my son's videos. This is Jeremy Hansen. He's a resident here at Pine Meadows Hobby Farm, and he is a wildland firefighter. And him and his fire crew are over trying to save homes and keep the fire from spreading. So here is more images that he uploaded through Facebook for me to be able to present to you guys.
Hansen. I'm a wildland firefighter, and I and my crew are on the fire in the Now, as you see, we're supporting burning operations, back burning operations. This is the area we are walking toward. When you saw us earlier, it has moved significantly forward in the other direction. We are watching this hillside, make sure there is no spot fires so the fire does not spread. I just learned that this is the area of Captain Jack's stronghold. Four 20-man hand crews are dispersed every 50 feet on the line, making sure we have no spot fires along this back burn. So far, everything is successful. The wind is not blowing in the direction of the hill, so minimal risk.
On to you, buddy. Found it. Hey, should we be dropping folks off? Hey, firm.
Holding that steep
Yep, we've got 2 tech crews coming this way. We've got 506 and 520. Is there a ground contact out here?
Head first, right in the rock. Yeah. Suicide's always an option. So it's really late chemical. I like that they brushed this out and then threw a bunch of brush in it. kind of fucked up.
Chuck it into that Hanson. If that gave out, you'd die.
Yeah.
It makes your turds not scratchy.
So how about that? Oh man, scary. And it's interesting because he's in the Lava Beds National Monument, and that is a place that, you know, they're coming across lava tubes, as you've seen in some of the video and snapshots. And also that reference to Captain Jack's stronghold. That is a site that is historic for Native peoples, historic site. And so they're out there trying to fight this big conflagration and keep homes from burning down. I wanted to share with you guys one feature that I put in to my homestead to try to mitigate the advancement of fires from areas I have no control over. On the other side of that fence is raw virgin land. It's owned by a person that doesn't even live there. And they do nothing to maintain the land, which is appropriate for living in the wilderness. You don't have to. But to protect my garden, my home site, I put in this corrugated, really thick corrugated roofing panels that I got from an estate cleanup. And I put them end to end across the bottom of my fence down at the grass level. That way, if fire should get up to the grass and spark from a nearby fire, the grass will burn up to the metal shield. It won't penetrate the shield and light my posts on fire, and it won't come under the fence. I have sprinklers out. I've been sprinkling for the last 2 days on getting the ground saturated around all the buildings, and just being cautious because we're anticipating another severe lightning storm moving through, and those things can be very volatile. They warned us that this year is going to be the worst fire season, period. That's all they said. I'm not speculating anymore. But the best thing is you can do if you live in a rural area is just prepare. I'm your host, Jerry Hansen. This is Pine Meadows Hobby Farm. We're a small homestead tucked high in the Cascade Ranges of the Pacific Northwest. Please stay tuned to more videos. You could do that by subscribing, then clicking that bell icon. What that does is alert you to new videos as I upload them. Also, please give me a like on my channel. That's that thumbs up icon. And click that share button. Sharing my videos on your social media platforms really helps out our channel a lot. I really appreciate when you guys do that. Please stay tuned for more shows. We'll see you guys in the next adventure. Hopefully we're all safe. I mean, really. Bye-bye.
Hanson. I'm a wildland firefighter, and I and my crew are on the fire.